A seed is essentially a waiting life, tucked inside a protective outer coat. It carries everything needed to start a new plant, including a tiny dormant embryo and a packed lunch of stored food. These seeds come from the flowers and fruits of parent plants, designed to travel across wind, water, or even in the pockets of ancient travelers who carried them across continents to cultivate new lands. What makes a seed truly remarkable is its sheer patience. Some can rest in the soil for years or even decades, waiting for the perfect environment to finally wake up. The seed coat. It acts as a tough protective armor surrounding the fragile life waiting inside. This hard outer layer is designed to withstand harsh elements, from freezing winters to baking deserts. For centuries, early farmers relied on the durability of this shell to store their harvested grain safely through long dormant seasons. What sets it apart is its stubborn resistance to moisture and warmth, ensuring the embryo inside only wakes up when environmental conditions are perfectly aligned. Without this vital barrier, seeds would sprout prematurely and perish, making it the quiet guardian of future forests and fields. The endosperm. This acts as the packed lunch for the dormant plant resting in the dark. It forms inside the seed during the fertilization process on the parent flower, filling the space around the tiny embryo with rich starches and oils. Throughout human history, this specific part of the seed has been the foundation of global diets, providing the bulk of the nutrition found in everyday staples like wheat, rice, and corn. What makes it unique is its sole purpose of self sacrifice, existing only to be consumed by the growing sprout before it can reach the sun. Without this dense reserve of energy, the fragile life inside would never survive the heavy push through the soil. The radicle. This tiny pale structure is the very first root to break free from the softened shell. It originates directly from the base of the seed's embryo, driven by a deep instinct to seek out moisture and stability. While the rest of the new plant will eventually reach for the sky, gravity pulls this delicate thread straight down into the dark earth. Early agricultural societies quickly learned that preparing loose, rich soil allowed this initial root to plunge deeper, securing a much stronger crop. It acts as the vital anchor, drawing up the essential water required to fuel the heavy lifting happening above. The cotyledon, often known as the seed leaf, this thick structure emerges just as the young stem pushes toward the surface. It develops inside the original seed alongside the embryo, serving as a vital bridge between the dark underground and the bright world above. While some ancient foraging cultures ground up large, fleshy cotyledons from beans and acorns for winter sustenance, the plant uses them to transfer stored energy directly to the growing stem. Unlike regular foliage, these temporary leaves are thick and sometimes lack green pigment entirely at first. They matter deeply because they sustain the struggling sprout during its most vulnerable transition, falling away only when their job is finally done. True leaves. These delicate structures unfold at the very top of the young stem as it finally breaches the crust of the soil. Rising directly from the tip of the growing shoot, they are vibrant, green, and eager to catch the morning light. Throughout history, the appearance of these tender green shoots has signaled the arrival of spring and the comforting promise of a new growing season. They mark a crucial turning point where the seedling stops relying on its internal storage and begins manufacturing its own food from the sun and air. From this moment onward, the vulnerable sprout becomes fully independent, ready to grow into a towering tree or a sprawling vine.